Hi everyone, my name is Shalina Smith from Shalina Smith Interiors and Gaga Designs, and I hope when you're watching this you're doing well. I know it's been a crazy season for many of us, and a lot of us have been stuck at home. And if you're like me, you're looking around thinking about all the things you want to change and the paint you want to change and the renovations around the house. And so I decided that I wanted to renovate my kitchen. So many of you saw my amazing living room transformation when I partnered with Universal Furniture, and now there's an opportunity for you to see the makeover of my kitchen renovations. It's going to be really exciting. I promise to give you a lot of tips, and you can see all the behind the scene craziness. So make sure you subscribe to my blog at shalinasmith.com. It's my favorite F words. It's all about faith, family, and fabulous interior designs, and I promise to always be super transparent in this renovation because I know you guys need help getting organized and making your space beautiful while you're at home. I am going to take you through the process of all the things that I need to decide, and it's going to be fun, a little stressful because honestly I'm the worst designer for myself. I'm gonna fire myself by the time this is all over, but I promise to be totally transparent with you and give you a lot of tips that you can use in your home. Anyways, let's go check out my kitchen. Okay guys, so this is my kitchen, and I felt a little embarrassed at first to show you because, you know, everybody's like, you're the celebrity designer, your house must be so great. Well, you know what, you have to have the time and you have to have the mind to do renovations in your house. And so I'm using this opportunity during the pandemic as a great distraction to renovate my kitchen for my family, but also to give you lots of great tips to help you come up with a distraction and give you lots of tips along the way. Anyways, this was not planned. We had a little mishap on our cabinets with some bleach, and it's made me go, okay, I'm gonna call Dunn Edwards, we're gonna paint these cabinets. And that was my plan, that's all I was gonna do, until I realized the countertops were cracking. So we have to get new countertops, might as well just renovate the whole thing. There's some things that I have to do first, which is organize, and I wanna share that with you. And be completely honest that I realized that I do not need 52 coffee cups. And so the first thing is to figure out how my new kitchen could be more functional and get rid of stuff. You also have my junk pile that I always have all my mail here, and I want to figure out a place where it just flows better. If we're organized, we feel better, and it doesn't feel so crazy all the time. I also want to get myself more counter space and try to figure out a way to not have this big microwave here. And so that's going to be interesting as you guys follow along. I promise to be completely honest every step of the way. And by the way, 17 years ago, these cabinets would bomb. And I promise that that's what everybody was doing, but I'm excited that I'm going to get an update soon. Today I'm at Planet Stone in Sun Valley. It is a family-ran business. They are not only my friends, but they are a Christian family, and I adore them. And I have an opportunity to remodel my kitchen with them. So I will be sourcing different quartz materials so that I can just fall in love with my space. And what I love about this company, it is a one-stop shop for all the materials that you need to have fabricated. And I'm just looking forward to getting the process going. Let me go check out some materials now. So I think I'm definitely stuck on quartz, and I hear you guys have a huge quartz selection. So if you can just show me some pieces that could really brighten up the space, I think that would be a good start. You saw me shopping. There's a wide range of variety at Planet Stone, but I immediately picked Vdara. And what was so great is they were around the corner from that facility, and I was actually able to go into their warehouse and see their huge selection of slabs. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, welcome. How are you doing?
Good, I'm Shalina Smith, and Planet Stone sent me over so I can actually take a look at some slabs so that I can kind of get a full visual of what I'm getting.
Awesome, that's what we're here for.
Perfect.
All right.
Let's take a look. Walking into Vdara's warehouse, I was in awe. They have specifically designed this space to appeal to us designers, they mimic the lighting of a kitchen, which means it's all natural light. No yellow lights, but it shows the slabs in its full glory, and I love that. I fell in love with all their variety. I mean, all of their pieces are quartz, but it truly mimics natural stone, and that's what I love the most. The veining is great, and I walked out of there certain that I was gonna go with their line called Marbella. Now that I've had so much fun shopping, I get to show you the behind the scenes that I normally do with my clients. See, normally I'm not able to have a camera to show you all these different details, but I get the opportunity to show you my mood board, and I'm so excited about it. As you know, it's for my kitchen, and I've already done a lot of great shopping at Vidara and Planet Stone. I would say that those were my favorite, but I've also just went through tons of catalogs that I have to put together this amazing mood board. With any design process, I always start off with the floor plan. So it's so nice to have your existing plan so you know what you're gonna demo, what you're gonna keep, and then I go to the proposed kitchen remodel where I add my island. I'm so excited about that island, but you really have to make sure that not only are you creating a space for it, but you have enough wiggle room and that it's ADA compliant. I knew from the very beginning that when I was doing this remodel that I had to lighten up the space, and I did that with Dunn Edwards paint. I picked their antique white and their whisper, and those are also colors that I'm gonna paint on the kitchen cabinets because the goal is to make this space brighter and bigger. And once I decided that, I picked some great knobs so it can just kind of give it a fresh new look, which I'm really excited about. And then I was like, go big or go home. I can't just do the kitchen without the adjoining family room. So I am gonna remodel my fireplace. We are gonna get all new floors. And you know, honestly, I didn't plan to get into all these different things, but if I'm gonna do the remodel, I really needed to make sure that everything is right. And one of the companies that I used to make that happen was Hudson Valley Lighting with all the lighting. The minute I changed the configuration of the kitchen, I needed to make sure I got new lights. And you know what? Lighting is like earrings with an outfit. If they're bad earrings, the outfit's gonna be bad. So my lighting really had to be nice and elegant, and I was able to do that with new pendant lights that are gonna go above the island. And then lastly is my furniture. I was able to go to my builder and pick through all his variety of fabrics, and I picked a fabric that I love. It's gonna be something that's perfect for the family. You know, my goal with this is that I just want it to be inviting. I think what the pandemic taught me is that we need a place that's comfortable and homey that we can spend hours and hours in, and just bringing in all these different earth tones and adding the marble that's gonna be on the fireplace, all of it really completes that, and it gives me that just feel that I can come home and be restored and rejuvenated in a space that's all mine. Once all these elements are selected, I take all of those decisions and I create a hyper-realistic rendering. And what that rendering does, it allows my clients to see the flooring, the sofa, the bar stools, the tiles, everything in one place so that they can see how their kitchen or family room is gonna look when everything is done. I am so excited. Now that I have shown you all the things that I selected and sourced for my kitchen and family room, it is time to officially get started. Let the demo begin. Today I am so excited that we are doing all the installation of my Hudson Valley lighting. Last night we did an unboxing and I shared with you all the goodies that I got, and today we are installing everything. First, I want to share with you how important it is to select the right type of lighting for your home. For me personally, my kitchen was always really dark, so I had to make sure that I added a couple of recessed lights, a couple of pendant lights over my new island, a couple of sconces, because I just really wanted the space to feel bright and airy. Anyways, I'm gonna take you through the assembly process. Let's go. this, you guys, I am in love with my new lights. These are the Linnet Tail Pendant Lights by Hudson Valley Lighting, and the reason why I chose these is because it just had such a great variety for me to size them up. No matter if I had 8-foot ceilings or 10-foot ceilings, it comes with all these different stems. And my favorite thing is that they came with a bulb. Just as a designer, you don't know how easy that makes things. Another reason why I love presenting Hudson Valley Lighting to my clients is because it has a wide variety of options, whether if it's for your bedroom or kitchen. No matter what style home you have, they have such a huge selection and you're able to mix and match. I was even able to do that here. I love the sconce light that we will be installing over the kitchen sink. I can't wait for you to see the reveal.